Hot water generation systems, especially those operating under high temperatures and hard water conditions, are highly susceptible to scale buildup. Over time, these hard scale deposits act like insulation, severely reducing the system's heat transfer efficiency. As the heat exchanger struggles to transfer heat effectively, it ends up consuming more fuel or electricity just to meet the same heating output. The result? Significantly higher energy bills and a noticeable drop in system performance. But here's the good news. Regular cleaning of heat exchangers can reverse this trend. That's where our POWERFLUSH descaling pump comes in. This plug-and-play descaling system is engineered for fast and effective cleaning. By simply circulating our specialized descaling chemicals, EcoTreat 512 or Rydlyme, through the system for just 2 to 3 hours, POWERFLUSH can restore thermal efficiency, eliminate scale buildup, and drastically cut down on energy consumption. Built specifically for industrial and commercial heat exchanger maintenance, POWERFLUSH descaling pumps are an essential tool for every facility.